Once upon a time, a donkey found lion's skin. He dressed himself in that skin. Wherever he went, the other animals and people feared him. Everyone thought that he was a real lion. Soon he started to think of himself as a lion. One day he heard some donkeys braying in the village. He wanted to show them that he can sing even louder. So he started braying, and the villagers heard him. They ran after him with sticks and beat him to death. Thus the poor donkey paid the price of the foolishness. Moral: never masquerade as someone else.